Welcome to a celebration of new beginnings.
Inside our factory, the spirit of 2026 comes alive as we craft the finest New Year gift hampers and beverages.
Join us for a journey of quality, care, and celebration, bringing joy to your New Year festivities.
As the New Year approaches, our factory prepares to craft refreshing sparkling fruit juices and mocktails, perfect for your celebrations. Inside, a treasure trove of ingredients awaits to be crafted into festive beverages. With precision and care, the unloading process begins amidst joyful celebration. Every ingredient is handled gently to preserve its quality and freshness.
Inventory is meticulously tracked to maintain accuracy during this busy season.
Our team works in harmony to ensure timely processing and festive readiness. Attention to detail is what sets us apart, especially during this festive season.
The journey continues as ingredients move deeper into the festively adorned factory.
Organization is key to a seamless production process, especially during the holiday rush.
Clear labeling ensures every item is easy to locate and ready for assembly.
Neat stacking maximizes space and efficiency in our busy factory.
Our products are designed to delight, inside and out, capturing the spirit of the new year.
Supervisors ensure every detail is accounted for, maintaining our high standards.
Stability and safety are priorities during every step of the process. Join us as we transform these ingredients into sparkling joy for the new year. With stock in place and spirits high, the journey to create perfect New Year beverages begins. With weight checked and products sorted, we move forward to the next step in creating perfect New Year beverages. Our team's dedication ensures every product meets our high standards.
Adjustable controls allow for flexible and efficient processing.
Organized sorting prepares products for the next production phase.
Double checks guarantee accuracy and customer satisfaction. Double checks guarantee accuracy and customer satisfaction.
Supervisors oversee every detail to ensure flawless execution.
Our automated systems streamline the sorting process. Quality assurance is embedded in every step.
Teamwork and technology combine to maintain our production excellence.
Precision placement guarantees smooth processing downstream.
Our innovative slider system ensures organized placement of every product.
Each item is moved efficiently along the production line. Products are sorted carefully to prepare for the next stage.
Our state-of-the-art facility is designed for accuracy and speed.
Every item is tracked through our advanced inventory system.
Attention to detail is key to maintaining our high standards.
Our team works in harmony, ensuring efficiency and precision for the 2026 celebrations.
Data is recorded carefully to maintain accurate inventory for the upcoming year.
Each ingredient is weighed meticulously to ensure consistency and quality.
With the stock safely unloaded, our dedicated team begins the precise weight-checking process for our New Year beverages.
Only the best products earn our quality seal.
Our team's commitment ensures every bottle is perfect for your 2026 celebrations.
From inspection to packaging, every step is handled with precision.
Sealed with care, our products are ready for the next step.
Our festive environment inspires quality and dedication.
Careful assembly preserves product quality during shipment.
Sorting ensures only the best products reach our customers.
Only bottles that pass inspection move forward.
Our team's dedication guarantees flawless quality. Advanced tools help ensure every detail meets our standards.
Thorough rinsing maintains hygiene and product integrity. A final cleaning ensures bottles are spotless before packaging. Each component is carefully inspected for quality assurance. Efficiency and precision are key in this critical phase. Our operators maintain strict control over every step. Advanced machinery ensures every bottle is perfectly sealed and trimmed. Next, the bottles move to the cutting and cleaning chamber for final preparation.
Cleaned and prepared, the bottles proceed to quality inspection.
Visual inspections catch any imperfections before packaging.
Join us as we continue the journey to bring sparkling joy to your New Year festivities.
Ready for shipment, our gift hampers begin their journey to customers.
Every package is labeled for safe and timely delivery.
Our festive environment inspires quality and dedication.
Supervisors oversee the final preparations to maintain excellence.
Our team's dedication ensures every hamper is perfect for your 2026 celebrations. From assembly to packaging, every step is handled with precision.
Sealed with care, our products are ready for shipment. Each hamper is carefully packed to delight our customers. Our packaging team works diligently to create festive presentations.
Only flawless bottles move forward to packaging.
Our cutting-edge laser technology detects any imperfections. Sterilized and clean, the bottles proceed to final inspection.
This process ensures safety and extends shelf life.
Heating and steaming sterilize the products, preparing them for packaging.
Precision controls allow us to tailor the washing cycle perfectly.
Our advanced washing system guarantees hygiene and safety.
Thank you for joining us in creating sparkling joy for your New Year 2026 celebrations.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of celebration and quality. Wishing you a joyful and sparkling New Year.
From all of us at AutoCore Line, Happy New Year 2026. May your year be filled with happiness and success.
Stay connected and celebrate every moment with us. See you in 2026.